Ever thrown a party only to run out of ice halfway through, leaving your guests with warm drinks? Or struggled with clunky ice trays that produce cloudy, fast-melting cubes that ruin your cocktails? This Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker machine, 40 pounds, is here to save the day, churning out 24 crystal-clear ice cubes in just 13 minutes and up to 40 pounds of ice daily. This sleek, stainless steel marvel combines auto self-cleaning, a smart LCD display, and a water recycling system to deliver restaurant-quality ice for your home, office, or bar. Compact, quiet, and portable, it's the ultimate solution for ice lovers. Let's dive into why this ice maker is a game changer and how it transforms your drink experience with every refreshing sip. The problem it solves: ice shortages can derail any gathering, whether it's a family barbecue, office happy hour, or casual dinner. Traditional ice trays are a hassle, often yielding cloudy cubes that melt quickly, diluting your sodas, iced coffees, or spirits. Store-bought ice bags are costly and inconvenient, and most fridge ice makers lack the speed and quality for high-demand moments. The Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker solves these woes by producing clear, slow-melting ice cubes at lightning speed, ensuring your drinks stay chilled and flavorful without the need for constant refills or store runs. Why choose the Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker? The Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker is a perfect blend of innovation, style, and practicality. With a 40-pound daily output, user-friendly controls, and eco-friendly water recycling, it's designed to keep your drinks cold and your life easy. Here's what makes it stand out. Rapid ice production. Delivers 24 ice cubes in 13 minutes and up to 40 pounds daily, meeting the needs of 3 to 5 people or large gatherings with ease. Premium ice quality. Creates clear, solid square cubes that melt slowly, preserving the flavor of your cocktails, smoothies, or sparkling water. Adjust ice thickness for tailored drinks. Smart LCD interface. Features an 8-hour timer for scheduled ice production, plus add water and ice full alerts on a crisp digital display, making operation a breeze. Auto self-cleaning. Press the timer button for 5 seconds to run a 30-minute self-cleaning cycle, ensuring fresh, hygienic ice without manual scrubbing. Water recycling system. The 2.2-liter reservoir reuses melted water, filtering it to produce 120 cubes in 5 cycles, minimizing refills and eliminating waste. Quiet and efficient. Advanced refrigeration and a low-noise cooling system, under 45 decibels. Save energy while keeping your space peaceful. Portable and stylish. At 11.61 inch by 9.25 inch by 11.41 inch and 15.3 pounds. This stainless steel ice maker fits any countertop and is easy to transport for camping, RVs, or parties, with a sleek silver finish that elevates any space. Key benefits of the Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker. Superior drink experience. Clear, slow-melting ice. Cubes cool drinks quickly without diluting flavors, ensuring every sip of your whiskey, soda, or iced tea is perfect. Effortless convenience. The 8-hour timer, self-cleaning feature, and simple 2-step operation, add water, press on, make ice production and upkeep hassle-free. Eco-conscious versatility. The water recycling system reduces waste, while the portable design suits homes, offices, bars, or outdoor events, offering sustainable performance. Perfect for. The Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker is ideal for party hosts. Keeps cocktails, mocktails, and soft drinks chilled at barbecues, birthdays, or dinner parties, impressing guests with premium ice. Office settings. Enhances break rooms with high-quality ice for water, coffee, or sodas, keeping employees refreshed and productive. Mixology enthusiasts. Delivers restaurant-grade ice for craft cocktails or spirits, elevating your home bar experience. Outdoor adventurers. Lightweight and portable. It's perfect for camping, RV trips, tailgates, or backyard gatherings where ice is a must. Small space dwellers. Its compact footprint fits apartments, dorms, or tiny kitchens, delivering big performance without taking up space. Real user insights. Users love the Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker for its speed and ice clarity, with many praising its solid cubes for rivaling high-end restaurant ice. The self-cleaning feature is a standout, making maintenance effortless, though some suggest using filtered water for the best taste. A few note that ice may melt in the 2.2 pounds basket if not transferred to a freezer, but the included scoop and removable basket simplify storage. The quiet operation is a hit, with noise levels similar to a soft hum, and the portable design is lauded for versatility. Some mention the handle feels slightly less sturdy, so gentle handling is recommended. Overall, its reliability, affordability, and performance make it a favorite among ice enthusiasts. How it works. Using the Euhomy Ice Maker is straightforward. 1. Fill the 2.2-liter reservoir with water, filtered for optimal taste. Point 2. Select ice size, press on/off, or set the 8-hour timer for scheduled ice. Point 3. Watch 24 cubes form in 13 minutes through the transparent lid. For maintenance, run the self-cleaning cycle with a vinegar water mix or clean the removable basket and scoop with soapy water. Keep the machine upright for 24 hours before first use to ensure peak performance. The stainless steel housing wipes clean easily, maintaining its polished look. Why clear ice matters. Unlike cloudy, air-filled ice from trays or budget machines, Euhomy's solid square cubes are made with advanced refrigeration technology, ensuring clarity and density. These cubes cool drinks faster and melt slower, preserving the rich flavors of your cocktails, iced teas, or smoothies. Whether you're serving a chilled martini or a seafood platter on ice, these cubes deliver a premium, professional-grade experience that elevates every occasion. Potential considerations. The Euhomy Ice Maker shines, but consider these points. Ice storage. The 2.2 pounds basket doesn't keep ice frozen long-term. Transfer excess cubes to a freezer bag to prevent melting. Noise level. At under 45 decibels, it's quieter than most, but ice dropping cycles may produce a soft hum, which most users find unobtrusive. Handle durability. The carrying handle is convenient but may feel slightly delicate, so handle gently when moving. Water quality. Use filtered water for the clearest, best-tasting ice to avoid off flavors from tap water. Why buy now? The Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker offers premium features at a budget-friendly price, rivaling high-end brands like GE Opal or Frigidaire. Its 40-pound daily output, self-cleaning convenience, and water recycling system deliver unmatched value. While the compact, stainless steel design fits any lifestyle. Whether you're hosting a party, upgrading your office, or camping under the stars, this machine ensures endless, high-quality ice. Backed by a 1-year warranty and stellar reviews, it's a low-risk investment in better drinks. Comparison to competitors. Compared to models like the Silent or Antarctic Star, the Euhomy excels with its 40-pound output versus 26 to 34 pounds for others, and water recycling system, reducing refills and waste. While competitors offer similar self-cleaning features, Euhomy's smart LCD display and adjustable ice thickness provide superior control. Its compact size, 11.61-inch dx 9.25, WX 11.41H, is smaller than many alternatives, ideal for tight spaces, and the stainless steel build adds durability and style. Tips for optimal use. Pre-use prep. Let the machine sit upright for 24 hours before use to allow the refrigerant to settle. Water choice. Use filtered or bottled water for the clearest, tastiest ice. Storage hack. Transfer ice to freezer bags to prevent melting in the basket. Cleaning schedule. Run the self-cleaning cycle weekly with a vinegar water mix for pure ice and optimal performance. Why it's a game changer. The Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker isn't just about ice. It's about enhancing your lifestyle. From hosting epic parties to enjoying a quiet iced coffee, this machine ensures you're always prepared with premium, slow-melting ice. Its portable, lightweight design and smart features make it a versatile companion, while the self-cleaning system saves time. At a price that undercuts luxury brands, it's an accessible luxury for better beverages. Join the ice revolution. Say goodbye to ice shortages and watery drinks. The Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker, 40 pounds/24H, delivers restaurant-quality ice with unmatched speed, style, and convenience. Whether you're a home entertainer, office manager, or outdoor enthusiast, this compact, self-cleaning ice maker is your key to refreshing drinks. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home this ice-making superstar today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.